what you want isn't what you have may not be.
Good challenge here. And there goes the whistle for half-time, and the scoreline is 2-0. Something to talk about at half-time, Alan, that penalty incident, and it's helped the team that are leading at the break.
Yeah, there were plenty of people in the crowd supporting the opposing side that didn't feel it was a penalty, but if they look at the replays later, I think they might agree with the ref.
Everyone focused for the start of the second half here at Stamford Bridge. Well, he had a go, and we should perhaps commend him for that, but not even close.
He's getting some stick off his teammates who are in better position than he was.
And that pass, just subtle little clip pass in, really. Carrying the ball forward past one defender. What a chance here. Oh, the keeper got a touch to it to make the save. Corner. Sloppy earlier in the game, but stopping that shot very well indeed.
Yeah, he's picked himself up and he's done well for his team there.
That was a good idea to try and use the width on the pitch, but it's gone out for a throw. It's another attack with plenty of support for him. That's a very crisp challenge there. Excellent passing here. Brilliant opening. Strong hands from the goalkeeper to keep out a shot of that power. Player right at him, but he's kept the ball well. Well, the losing team have got to do something, and this is it, the substitution. Cheeky, a back heel, and the ball's got away from him. Here's Sterling. And he's going to shoot. Well hit and well saved. Great hands from the goalkeeper. They've wasted possession. Here he is with a chance. Goalkeeper has to go and get the ball for the goal kick. Well, that's a clever little clip into a teammate. Well, he's got support here. And now, what a chance! It's hit very well and the goalkeeper was strong. Excellent block. They've got the ball back. The interceptor got it for them. Good, clean tackle. Thiago Silva. That's a good tackle. Gets his foot in there. Oh, penalty. No question. And he's taken the chance beautifully. And the score is 3-0. Beautifully done, the back heel. Here's Sterling. Into the face of the opposition. Well, the signal's gone up for 2 minutes. Great opportunity. Here's the shot. Wonderful finish. It's a wonderful advantage at this stage. They lead by 4 goals to 0. And he's blown his whistle for the last time. As a match, it was rather one-sided, wasn't it? Because of the capacity of one team to... Until the next time, this is Martin Tyler, wishing you well.